So we're gonna install this one first. It's a Triumph side mirror, which cost me for about $35 or around 2,000 Philippine peso. It's quite cheap though for the price and the quality you get. So first we need to remove the old side mirrors. So this is not the stock ones. I've already changed this to the handle bar and mirrors. The problem with this one is it only has 3 inches of vision, which you can hardly see the person behind you. So you need to tighten up the rubber stoppers before installing the side mirrors. And once installed, make sure you don't tighten it thoroughly, because sometimes it will stuck with the grips and it will make your throttle stuck up, and you don't want that to happen when riding. So here's the final look once installed. So the circle one is only about 2 to 3 inches of vision, and this one is about 5, so this is very useful when checking the persons behind you. Hope you like this video and see you on the next one.